great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth leather combination interior, and a power moonroof overhead. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are the power moonroof buttons, interior light buttons, and OnStar. Up next is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Down below here we have auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, traction control, and dual cup holders. This Encore GX is also equipped with the Sport Touring package, so it's got a custom grille with the red grille insert, fog lights, LED headlamps, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood, 18-inch aluminum wheels, the side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, keyless entry and keyless start, remote start, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. To open this lift gate, I'm going to use the key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open with ease. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade, cargo hooks, some lights, and we have some additional storage with a spare tire down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, some USB ports, carpeted floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to fold these rear seats down with ease. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.